Yo, want to get a new car? For my property? Like a golf cart? This one would be nice.
Yeah,
Let's buy it!
that looks like a good deal.
Yeah!
Only $2,500. Hello.
I would like to buy your golf car.
Hello, welcome to Rp dealership. How can I help you? Yes, sure.
We would like to buy a gold card.
Could I test drive it? Around the block?
All right, which color?
The white one.
Okay.
This handling is good.
This is really good.
I think this is the right one. Yeah, we are going to buy it.
All right, are you gonna play all at once or pay once every month?
We will do all at once.
Okay, let's go to my desk and do paperwork.
Okay,
I will sign it 'cause I'm buying it for you.
thanks, bro.
Hands papers.
Signs paper.
Tell me when you guys are done. Hands key.
Thank you, sir. Yay, we got the car. Okay, we're here. Let's chill. Let's watch a movie.
I will go get some snacks for us.
Okay, thanks. Look what happened. Let's go get some dinner. You want to drive?
Yes, please.
Do you know where some fine dining is?
Not quite, I'm still new.
I know where some yummy food is. Bruh. That was very hard too. Push back up. Taco is always yummy. Let's order. I will meet you at the table. Yummy.
This is so good.
Let's try our golf car on grass. Wow, the traction. Okay, guys, we had fun with our car. Now it's time to end the video. Bye.